Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are watching this video first time, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to press in the bell icon also. And today I'm going to teach you how can you use the list and how can you use the comment and how can you use the ID and classes in the HTML. So if you don't know how can you use the list and the comment and the any kind of classes and the ID, and this is the right video for you, but you have to watch this video until the last. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial, but you have to subscribe my YouTube channel right now. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial. So now I'm going to show you my computer screen and you have to follow all the steps, and hoping that you will watch this video until the last.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you can see here is my computer screen. And before we already learn how to use the table and table data, table row and table heading in the HTML. If you still don't know how can we use, then you can check my previous video. So now today I am going to use first of all I'll create a head. So today we'll learn the list. Okay, just wait for a moment. Today we'll learn list, okay, and we'll learn the comment, and we will learn the ID and class. Okay, so if you don't know also list, ID, class and comment, you can check this video until the last. So today we'll learn the list, ID and classes and comment. So if you don't know also list, ID, classes and comment, so you can watch this video until the last. It will make too much clear in your doubt. So without any late, let's begin. So first of all, let's start from the list. So what is list? So if you want to create a list, how can you create the list? It's too much easy. So first of all, you have to know there is the two methods to create a list in HTML. So first of all, I'm using the unordered list, and there are two types of list available. One is unordered and another is ordered list available. So first of all, I'm creating the unordered list. Okay, so from here just you have to type the whale tag, and from here I'm just creating a list. Okay, so first of all I'm just creating the CPU, and okay, and I'm creating another list, RAM, okay, and another I'm picking is motherboard. Oh sorry, I'm doing a great mistake here. I have to close by li tag. Okay, now I'm saving it by pressing Ctrl+S, and now I'm going to run, and I'm launching this in the Chrome. Now you can see there is a another list available, right? So after this, so now I'm again creating another type of list here. So just you have to type ul, and from here I'm just creating a list such as car, okay, helicopter, and I'm closing this one, and another is cycle, okay, and I'm closing the ul tag also. Okay, now I'm saving it and I'm running this one in the Chrome. Now you can see there is another list available, right? So this is the easiest way to use the list inside your HTML tag. Okay, so now let's move on. So what is ID and classes? Okay, so first of all, start from the ID. If you give a ID in your HTML tags, it will be very easy when you are using CSS or JavaScript in the future. And if you didn't use the ID, and it will not be easy to use CSS and JavaScript in the future. That's why you have to use the ID. If you give a unique ID to your HTML elements, then you can target your HTML elements by using that kind of ID. So first of all, you have to use a tag, you have to use a ID, and from here you can give such as, sorry, just wait for a moment, I'm just giving a ID. So I'm just giving the ID name is vehicle. Okay, and next time when I will use the style tag, when I'll use the CSS, okay, and now in that time I can use a ID, okay, and sorry, not the ID, it means vehicle, and in that time and I can give lots of styles here, such as background colors. Okay, just wait for a background color red, and if I save it and if I go to run and launch in the Chrome, now you can see there is a background color, right? So if you use the ID in your HTML tag, it will be very easy for a future, and you can use this one in the JavaScript also. Okay, so if you know the knowledge of the JavaScript, and it will be very helpful for you also. Okay, so inside the script tag you can use your different kind of JavaScript code. Okay, so this is the ID. And what is classes? Okay, so classes also same like the same like the ID, but if you give the class, okay, class, and from here I'm just giving the car. Okay, so now you can see I give the first list class is car. Okay, so now you can target only class, you can only target the car class from the CSS or from the JavaScript. Okay, so this is the most beneficial things when you will use the classes. So if next time if you want to target that one, okay, just I'm giving the car. Okay, so only for car I want to use some styles. So from here I'm just using the background color, and I'm just using the green. Okay, and if I save it and if I run in the Chrome, you can see it's working only for the car, right? So the ID and classes work like same, but if you give a specific class to your any kind of HTML elements, in that time you can target your tag okay, by differently. So if I use the if I use the class here also, so you can use different kind of class here, right? So I can use heli. Okay, and if I use the class, what is the class? I think I should to use the cycle. Okay, you can use you can give any kind of name to your class. Okay, and next time it will be very easy to use this one. Okay, so this is the ID and classes. Okay, the class specifies your tags, and the ID also give a unique ID to your HTML elements, and it will be easy when you are using the CSS and JavaScript in the future. Okay, so let's move on to our next topic. So it's the HTML comments. So what is HTML comments? When you are creating a HTML web pages, in that time there are lots of codes should be write. Okay, so in that time it will be very confusing when you are working in the team, or you are working after few days. Okay, so in that time you can give a comment in that sections. So now here I can give a comment. So how can you give a comment? So just you have to use less than, and just keep this one. Okay, and just use the 2 dash, and from here this is for vehicle section. Okay, and just use the semicolon and just close by greater than. Now you can see this is a comment, right? In this time I'm using the Notepad++. Here is a green color. I think in other different kind of, sorry, just I'm using the Sublime Text, not this one, Sublime Text. Okay, now you can see there is also, I think, available the comments. So okay, just wait for a moment. Now you can see there is also if I want to use the comment. Okay, this, oh, here is not a green color, right? It's depend on the text editor, but it's okay. So if you want to use the comment inside your HTML, now you can see, and this is the perfect structure to write a comment in your HTML blocks. Okay, so in the last I'm writing a comment, my HTML design, sorry, list id class comment tutorial finished. Okay, now you can see there is two comments available inside my this code.html, right? So this is for today. So if you have any kind of doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. That's it.
Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any kind of confusion, you can ask me in the comment sections. I'll try to give your answer, and hoping that you learned something from this video. And once again, thank you so much. Goodbye. See you again.